What if the most luxurious car ever built isn't from a brand that shouts about performance, but from a brand that simply doesn't need to? The Rolls-Royce Phantom has been quietly redefining what luxury means for over a century. And once you see everything packed into this machine, you'll understand why nothing else even comes close. No exaggeration. No joke. This could be the most complete luxury experience on four wheels. Welcome back to the channel, where we break down the world's most incredible vehicles and explain what makes them truly special. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will understand exactly why the Phantom sits in a class of its own. Let's start with the exterior, since presence matters most with a car like this. The design carries a massive, commanding front end, anchored by the iconic Pantheon grille and the Spirit of Ecstasy, standing tall on the hood. The body features long, clean panels with almost no unnecessary lines, giving it a calm, powerful stance rather than an aggressive one. Unlike sports sedans that chase attention with sharp creases, the Phantom favors smooth surfacing and quiet confidence, because true luxury doesn't need to shout. Moving to the side profile, the Phantom rides on a long wheelbase with rear-hinged coach doors, giving it an unmistakable silhouette. Massive wheels, a low belt line, and generous glass area create a sense of openness rarely found in cars this size. At the rear, expect a clean bumper design and understated taillights, keeping the same restrained elegance found up front. Now let's talk about the interior, because this is where the Phantom truly separates itself from everything else on the road. Step inside and you're greeted by handcrafted leather, real wood veneer, and metal detailing finished to a level most brands can't match. The dashboard features the gallery, a glass panel stretching across the front, where owners can commission custom artwork, turning the cabin into a personal art piece. Ambient lighting, a Starlight headliner with hundreds of tiny embedded lights, and whisper-quiet cabin insulation combine to create an atmosphere that feels more like a private lounge than a car. Space is a major focus as well. The rear seats offer limousine-level legroom, with reclining functions, individual climate control, and even fold-out tables for rear passengers, for owners who are driven more often than they drive. These details matter far more than horsepower numbers. Speaking of power, the Phantom is fitted with a smooth, twin-turbocharged V12 engine, delivering effortless acceleration without ever feeling rushed or aggressive. The goal here isn't speed, it's seamless, silent power delivery, since comfort matters. More than raw performance in this segment, comfort is where the Phantom truly shines. Its planar suspension system uses camera sensors to scan the road ahead and adjust the suspension in real time, delivering what Rolls-Royce calls the magic carpet ride. This allows the Phantom to glide over rough roads while remaining perfectly composed during turns. On the technology side, expect night vision assistance, a wireless charging system, and driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and automated parking, all working quietly in the background so the focus stays on comfort, not complexity. So why does this matter? For over a century, the Phantom has been the benchmark that every luxury brand is measured against. While competitors chase tech gimmicks or performance numbers, the Phantom stays focused on one thing: making every passenger feel like royalty. That single-minded focus is exactly why, decade after decade, nothing else truly compares. Of course, all of this comes with a price tag most people will never touch, and features can vary based on individual customization, since nearly every Phantom is built to order. What do you think? Is the Rolls-Royce Phantom really the ultimate luxury car ever made? Or is there another vehicle that deserves the crown? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you enjoyed the breakdown, and subscribe so you don't